What up? Bike life or what?
Yep.
What you at?
About 35 right now.
Get carbon, they said. It'll be fun, they said, huh? I'm about to cover this up with the Sharpie. So yeah, if you watched my last video, I said I wanted to get a quick shifter, Translogic. My boy has it on his. Gonna test it out right now, see how it feels. Wow, his clutch and gauge is completely different than mine. Let's hear your friction zone is way different than mine. It's right away. That shit threw me off.
That's how I like it now.
I couldn't get it to quick shift down, but and up I was letting off the throttle. I had to let off the throttle. I wouldn't do it. Is it messing up or something? You don't let off the throttle when you shift up at all? Yeah, it wasn't doing it for me. And then like when I was on the brake, I would click down and I would hear it rev up, but it wouldn't go down in the gear. You get me? Huh. Like I would be like this, and I would click down, and it would be like, but it wouldn't click down. Does that make sense?
Never done it to me.
I probably just don't know how to do it.
Maybe.
Well, but it's not as loud as I thought it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be way louder. Cause it sounds louder in person, but when you're on it, it doesn't sound.
Yeah, it's because it's behind you.
Yeah. Yeah, I came up this little mountain real quick with my boy James just to take some photos of the bikes real quick. Yeah, we watched the bikes, just came over here to take a couple photos. Gonna go home, check them out on the computer, edit them a little bit, and then probably hit a car meet with my boy Adrian that you saw in the last vlog. So yeah. See how fast we can go. Oh shit, my kickstand was down. No, I'm losing speed already. love this view right here. It's like one of my favorite views coming down the road. It's like hard not to look at it while you're going down this scary ass street. Look at that sky. A 101 questions, damn. Yeah, we're about to head to Corona. There's a little car meet over there. It's at a dealership, so it's a permitted location. So no cops are gonna come. I'm just not looking forward to taking the 91. I didn't want to take the 91 because it's always super bumpy on the 91, and obviously there's a lot of traffic, but it's all good. The GPS said like 50 minutes, but we'll probably make it there in like 30. Yeah, the car meet's at 5, which is weird. Usually car meets are at night, obviously. Probably like the worst time to get on the freeway. What that was in the road. I'm glad I didn't hit it. Looked like a speed bump. Where when it's cold outside, I just feel so stiff. Like I forgot how to ride. Every little bump I hit just feels so awkward. Wow. Everybody tonight. Woo-wee. Let's get the fuck out of here. I'm good on that. So as you can see, we got to the first spot. Bunch of cops there already. Literally like 30 minutes into it. So they moved the spot. We're going to the next location right now. Hopefully there's no cops there. That's the thing about these car meets, man. There's just always a risk of a bunch of cops being there. But yeah, they were staring at us. I think that was it right there. Bruh. This spot looks a little bit more private. Hopefully it won't get shut down. I guess the cops are here. We're about to dip. I can't even see them, but I'm assuming that they're right outside, so go ahead. Where are the cops?